Welcome to Costa Rica. A lot of times when we're out here, we talk about the abundance of wildlife that comes to life at night. All of the frogs and the snakes and other things that seem to come out. But that doesn't mean that you can't find a lot of really cool stuff during the daytime as well. So it's about 7 a.m. and I'm just going to walk through here and show you some of the things that I find because there seems to be a bit of a local abundance here. So let's get going. Right off the bat, we have a nice little strawberry poison dart frog there. You can see him hopping away. Now, I'm going to move through this forest kind of quickly so that we don't have a lot of gaps in what we see. And I'll try to tell you about the things as we see them. All right, here's another poison dart frog there. This one's much easier to recognize. Look at that. There he goes. Now, these guys are the strawberry poison dart frogs. In this part of Costa Rica, they look like a strawberry, but they do have a little bit of blue on the back legs there. The locals, here's another one, the locals will often call these the blue jeans frog because sometimes that blue can be quite vibrant. Now, if you go to other parts of the country, specifically in Panama, there's actually a lot of variation of these little frogs, and they come in all sorts of different colors, not just the strawberry color that we see here. Now, as we walk through here, I'm looking for movement on the ground mostly. We may get another frog hopping through. We may get an anole or a skink, and but nobody's popping out yet. Oh, there's another poison dart frog there. I hope that's not all we see. Oh, here's two more. That's kind of amazing. All right, where is our bit of variety? Well, more poison dart frogs. They seem to be locally abundant in this area. Oh, that is somebody jumping. Oh, okay. I think I just missed him. He was here, and I think he jumped away. But it was a little rain frog, possibly the common rain frog or the Fitzinger's robber frog. That's the same name or a different name for the same species. They're pretty abundant, but at that small size, they would be very difficult to tell apart. Here is another poison dart frog hopping away. Well, it just seems like today is our day for poison dart frogs. Whoa, okay. Whoa, no. So that bigger guy is lost. I might be able to look at the footage later and see what it was, but there's a good chance that was maybe another rain frog or robber frog, the Cragaster genus. But he jumped in the forest. It didn't really look like I could find him. So there's definitely things to be found out here. I'm surprised we haven't seen any of the little anoles running around, but I'm sure we'll get one. Oh, there's one. There's one there. Where'd he go? Oh, he's right. Let's see if we can see him. Oh, he's there. He's there, right in the center there. I'm not really sure what kind of anole that is without taking a closer look. Another strawberry poison dart frog. There are a couple different species out here. The main one that we see is the border anole, or also called the slender anole. Oh, here's another frog. This guy again, just a little tiny hopper, possibly another one of those rain frogs. It's really difficult to tell at the small sizes. Yeah, well, that is, I think, a really nice sampling. Oh, here's another frog of what you can find out here just under this leaf. So I hope you get out there and find a lot of great stuff yourself. There's more poison dart frog. That's just a quick little sampling of some of the things that you can find out here on a walk. Right, frogs, anoles. If we were lucky, we would have had a snake. There were some bigger birds that were coming through earlier. So, don't get discouraged that like most of my footage, most of the things that I'm finding at night, there's still plenty to find during the daytime, especially on a very forested walk like this. So get out there, find some stuff. I'm Greg Schechter. This is Schechter Natural History, and I'll see you in the field.